What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video, and Kiwi Design was really nice to send me out 3 of their products, but I unfortunately have a favorite. It is definitely this one right here. This is the K4 Duo, and what this does is it allows you to charge the MetaQuest 3, it allows you to charge the batteries in the headset over 5,000 mAh of total capacity, and you can do both at the same time, but wait, there's more. You also get these awesome little headphones right here, and they really make playing the game really that much better because you have a little bit of privacy, which you can really disrupt people if they're hearing what you're doing, and it gives you the ability to really enjoy and be immersed in VR, and that is really the whole point of VR.
What? What are you doing? Greg, what are you doing? What are you looking at in there?
I can't. It's the headset because the speakers, they play out loud. I was just helping my friend beat this level.
What were those sounds I was hearing?
There's no sounds. There would be no sounds if you would let me get the new Kiwi Design head strap. It has speakers that go over your ear so that you can actually play the game that you want without disturbing anyone. And that's all I really want. So I should just buy the Kiwi Design one that will allow me to use headphones and it won't bother you so much. You know I wouldn't do anything to hurt you. So can I get the new Kiwi Design headset? You should really let me get it, please.
Sounds cool.
Yay!
So I think Kiwi Design understands that better than anyone, and these speakers are great. You get much better quality, and you don't get that spill that you get with the original MetaQuest 3 speakers. I really love this headset. There are a few things I would put in the next version, and that would be a secondary audio output, just so I can plug these in if I did want to plug this into my computer with the awesome 16-foot link cable that Kiwi Design sells. It would be awesome if you could maybe plug the link cable into the back of the headset as well. That way you could really just use the features of the headset, and that would kind of negate the need for the secondary input for the headphones. And finally, just put this bad boy on the H4, on the Halo style, and you've got really the best headset in the world. But I know you can't have everything, but we almost got it here, guys, and I really love the quality of Kiwi Design's accessories. I'm using the stand, I'm using the knuckles, and I really couldn't be happier, and really happy that they gave me that coupon code. You guys get 10% off if you use code Pizzles. If you're interested in purchasing any of these products from Kiwi Design, I'll have links down below. And you can use code Pizzles and it'll give you 10% off. So thank Kiwi Design for doing that and use those links to shop. Hopefully I'll get a check sometime in the next 10 years and I'll be able to keep running this YouTube channel. So I'm making these videos to help as many people as I possibly can and explore my creative side to really have an impact on the world. So I really enjoy doing this, but after 10 years, I am having difficulty continuing on and on because the debt grows and I lose my ability to focus because I'm stressed and I need a new tooth. I just had surgery. I need a new job. I need a whole bunch of stuff. And what I don't need is to spend money to make videos. So any money that I make from these affiliate links, it doesn't cost you anything, but it really helps support my dream. And after 10 years, it really feels like a dream, but you know, I really do love doing this. So I'd greatly appreciate your support. Thank you, Kiwi Design, for sending this out to me. Thanks again for watching, guys. Greg with PizzlesTechTime reminding you to embrace goodness and you'll attract greatness. It's worked for me, and I hope it'll work for all of you guys too. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Peace. I still do want to get my dad.